hope you like it.
It smells very wonderful. Are you okay?
Yes, I have TMJ. So I have to do this routine before I eat. Would you like to try it?
Sure.
Okay. So you put your tongue on the roof of your mouth and you make a noise to relax like this. Then you massage your jaw. I like to use a little lotion so it doesn't ache my skin. Would you like to try?
Sure.
And then you massage the top of your temples. And then we can eat. How does it feel?
Loose and nice.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.